If you want to save a lot of money while traveling in Coron, then this video is for you. We spent 2 days in Coron after our amazing boat expedition. First day we will visit the floating houses and encounter a bit of a motorbike problem, which we are used to by now, but we also see one of the most beautiful sunsets ever. The next day we will take you along a private boat tour, but not the ultimate tour that everyone talks about. Make sure to watch it until the end, as this could save you a lot of money. Oh my god, our trip was absolutely incredible, and as you can hear, I have no voice left because I went really hard in karaoke, but it was 100% worth it, and it was the best thing of the Philippines for sure. This is our first day in Coron. I think we're just gonna have a chilled day. We might rent a motorbike. I still have no voice, and also I got a really swollen lip. I don't know what happened. I think it's the salt water, but I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm gonna go get some breakfast and a coffee and start the day. We rented a motorbike, but we got stranded a little bit, so yeah, it's raining and we're literally above like really dark clouds, but it's fine there and fine in front of us, so we gotta give it a go. Came to this floating house and it's like on the sea. It's on the water. It's 100 entrance, so it's really nice. Not gonna lie, it doesn't seem the safest, but nothing in Southeast Asia seems safe. Yeah, I still have no voice, so. This place is called the Triangle Floating House, and it was recommended by a local guide to us. This was a true hidden gem with amazing views and fun spots to jump into the water. If you're looking for somewhere to get away from the tourists, this place is for you for sure. After the lake, the bike problems have started. Molly and Tom had a flat tire in the middle of nowhere, so we had to make it to the nearest town to fix the bike. And once again, everyone was really helpful and stopped to help us, and in no time the bike was fixed. Could you believe that this little thing caused the bike tire to burst? By accident. On the way home we encountered one of the most beautiful sunsets I have ever seen in my life. It changed color more than that I could count, and I'm just going to let you enjoy the view and just take it in. This is our last full day in Coron, and instead of doing the ultimate tour, we decided that we are going to do it a little bit different way. I saw this video on TikTok that you can just go to a different port, which I tag here, and apparently you can do it for 350. It's only 2 hours, but it takes you to like really cool spots and it's completely private. I'm not sure if it's possible, but if it is, then I take you along, and that would be a massive money saver for people, so let's go. But first we're gonna go back to the same breakfast place because it was so good. I'm gonna show you around the place because I think it's new and it's so cheap and it's so delicious, so you need to know about it.
First is first, you need to get a tuk-tuk to Siete Pecados Marine Park, and if you're lucky, they actually will wait for you and take you back when you're finished as well. As you can see, the boat costs 250 pesos per person and 100 pesos per person to enter the marine park. Doesn't matter how many people you are coming with, you will have a private boat. The whole tour took about 2 hours, but honestly, after coming off a 3-day boat trip, we felt like it was the perfect amount of time. You will get 2 guides who will take you to the best snorkeling spots, and ours even came with us to show us some amazing sea life around. The only thing I will say is that if you aren't a strong swimmer, I wouldn't recommend this tour for you, as the current was very strong and it was quite hard to swim at times, and the guide did say that it's often like this. So if you're not very strong swimmer, I don't think this tour is for you. All in all, it cost us 350 pesos per person, and you can do this tour throughout the day whenever you want to, and you are not restricted to certain times, which was something we really liked. Also, the ultimate tours are often above 1,000 pesos, and if you're looking to save a bit of money, I would recommend this for you without hesitation. After a very tiring and full-on day, we spent the evening playing some pool and other games, and unfortunately I lost more times than I like to admit.
Yeah, just waiting for our transport to the airport. We bought a last minute ticket because we kind of messed up. I think I might have mentioned already. So I don't know if it's any good because you can't find the flight on the departures flight status. So we might have a flight, we might not. But yeah, Coron was great. I quite enjoyed it. I really liked the tour we did yesterday. But yeah, we got Manila for 2 nights and then that's it. We're leaving. Got our boarding passes, which means our flight is legit, so that's good. It's possible to book last minute flights in the Philippines. We booked this for £70 each, which is nothing really. Got our own private plane. This is all from being an influencer. So this is the end of the video of us traveling in Coron. We spent 2 days there and we had an amazing time. I hope the boat tour gave you a bit of clarity that you don't have to do the ultimate tour to see amazing views, and it will save you a lot of money, like I said. Our next up is Manila, which is our last destination in the Philippines. I can't believe how quick this just all went. In Manila, we had the amazing opportunity to take a food tour around Chinatown, so that's what you're going to see. We had the amazing Phil take us around, who's local, and showed us the best spots, and oh my god, the food was incredible. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below because it means the absolute world to me. My absolute dream is to travel the world full time and be able to help others to do the same. Every subscriber means the absolute world to me, which just takes me closer to that 1,000, which is my current goal, which will allow me to start earning money. And honestly, that would be a dream come true. So your support means everything. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!